Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is something small, but it's something kind of special because it's the official first mod of the 350z. Technically it's the second, but this first one was something so small that I don't even really count it. And this is the first one. Is the shift knob. I just got a purple shift knob, purple Mishimoto shift knob in the car. I have a shift boot that will be installing probably next video. But today, here, let me get out of the car real quick so I can show you what we're dealing with. Today we are doing this. This rear windshield wiper, they took it off because the windshield wiper, who needs one on the rear? You don't need one. So they took it off, but they never took out the window motor. And so that's my job today. All I'm gonna have to do is take out some of the inserts on the inside of the trunk, get to the window motor, and then take the window motor out. And then I have a plug, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit, but I have a plug that I'm gonna put on there. It just makes it look a lot nicer. It's literally like $20. It's not like an actual mod, but it's just something that I wanna do. But anyway, I'm gonna go to my uncle's house, get down there, because that's where the part is, and I guys gotta do it down there. And on the way down there, though, I'll give you some POV shots with this bad mother jammer right here. I love this thing. It comes in handy a lot. So I'll give you some POV shots of driving. I'll get on it a little bit, but not too much because I'm still getting used to driving the thing. Alrighty, so safety first. Look at that, guys. I love this thing, man. I love it. Also, look at you guys can see yourselves in the camera. But anyway. What? I stalled? I haven't stalled in so long. There are wasps inside the car, but I got this. And so I'm just waiting them out, you know? You gotta play the waiting game for these guys because if you approach them, they got the high ground. They can attack you, they can take you off guard. I, right now, have the high ground because the second I see them come out, they're getting sprayed. And they're going to burn. Burn in paradise. You know that song where it's like, they're scared to come outside? That's them right now. They are so scared. They see it. Look at them. Look at them. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, you guys scared? Oh, yeah, pussies. What's up? Come on out. Come on out. Oh, pop the cap. Uh-oh, I'm reloading. You guys have time. I gotta sit here and wait for these wasps to get out of my car before I can do anything to it. Okay, so it's about a half hour after I got here. And only because I just had like all-out warfare with like 7 wasps. Here's my weapon of choice right here. It's wasp and hornet killer. It works. It killed them. There was like 7 of them out there and they were flying around. I had to like shoot them out of the air, but they were getting mad at me too because I was shooting at them and stuff, and so it was bad. It was war. But anyway, the plug for the windshield wiper, this is what it looks like. That's simple. I'm also going to do this a little bit later. That'll be in a different video. And yeah, let's get this plug on here. First step is literally just taking this off. Don't know how I'm gonna do it. Right now I'm just going to take a screwdriver and pry it off. If that doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. You're gonna have to watch a video. Hopefully I don't have to watch a video. But yeah, this is actually really easy. You just have to, there's like little clips. So just take a screwdriver and pry them off. This one broke, which kind of sucks, but whatever. And I think there's gonna be one down there. But that's the motor that you're trying to get out right there. So So I pretty much need to get this pretty much all the way off. There's nothing over there. So bear with me, I'm just gonna keep getting those off, but yeah. Okay, so it's pretty much as far out as I'm going to get it. On top of that, I can get to the actual motor, so I'm not really worried about anything else right now. But pretty much down, so at first, like right here, are just these normal clips. Those are really easy to get out. They go into like these holes. This one broke, so that's kind of unfortunate, but whatever. Then at the back, there's these kinds of clips. And those are gonna sound like they're breaking, but they're not. It sounded like it was cracking and breaking, but it wasn't. Now all you have to do is just get this bolt out right there, that one right there. That, actually no, I think you want to keep that one. That's a ground. So yeah, just keep that as a ground. So that one, and then that one, and I think it should just drop. And you're gonna want to disconnect this connector, and it should just drop right out. I meant for that to happen. Made my job a little bit easier, so I don't care. Not really, that scared the crap out of me. Luckily nothing broke though. Now I can actually see everything. And the only one that looks like it broke is this one right here. Okay, first of all, I highly recommend disconnecting the connector first, just so that if it does drop, it doesn't pull on the connector. Do that first, but they are 10 mil bolts, just so you know, they're 10 mil bolts. All right, so that's it. It comes out just like that, pops in. There's a little piece to the connector that plugs into the actual trunk itself. Just yank that right out. It's just a windshield motor connector, it doesn't matter, but you know, you just gotta plug it in. All right, so this is how you wanna do it, all right? Do it. Take it apart. It just screws off. This is the bottom piece, this is the top piece. You want the bottom piece to go on the bottom, right here. The top piece go on the top. It holds it in nice and tightly, and then they give you a little pack of 2 screws, depending on what size you need. Screw it in. It's that easy. They're Allen key screws, so you're gonna need an Allen key, but very small Allen key. Alrighty, and that's what it looks like. Looks so much nicer, like unbelievably nice, and it matches my paint. Like the black is very similar to the black that my color actually is. This makes it look so much slicker on the back. Looks cool, especially if I had like the rear windshield wiper on there when I first started this video. You would definitely see the difference, but it looks so much better. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. SmoothStance hats are coming soon to a shop near you. Not really, it's gonna be online, but SmoothStance hats are coming soon. SmoothStance shorts, SmoothStance shirts are all coming soon, and banners and small 6-inch stickers, they're all coming soon. We're gonna have a huge drop. My first ever merch drop on YouTube. I cannot wait. SmoothStance, if you guys don't know, is my car club that I own type deal. So it's what I like to do with my clothing and all that stuff. But anyway, I hope you guys are excited for that. I'm so excited. We're working on the website right now, and we're so getting the product in. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Next video is probably going to be like another top 10 or something like that. But I also want to do a shift boot install on this car, and I'll show you that. I'll do that for a vlog too. And I need to do my downpipes. I'm gonna do a downpipe install, which is a big one. And I have coilovers be going in pretty soon by Max Speeding Rods. Thank you to them because they sent it out as a sponsorship, and I was like, to them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Das Vidania. Have a nice day.